how to make a PDF file in Camscanner. So this does need somewhat of a subscription or the premium feature since this does involve exporting. But what you're gonna do if you want a PDF file inside Camscanner itself is basically to import your file, whatever it is. So in my case, it's an image. So let's say something like this. What we're gonna do is turn it into Word. If you already have a Word file, then that's good. You can export or import it that way immediately or directly. But in the case, let's go to basically the first form where it's not even a Word yet. So let's go ahead and wait for it to convert over here. It's gonna take some time. But over here, once it's done, just go ahead and press on the export document right at the bottom. Unfortunately, it's gonna say upgrade to export. So you're gonna need again the higher version of the app, but you should be able to see the more sharing options and just go ahead and press on share as PDF. And basically at that point, you'll have a PDF file. Just go ahead and open that up and download it as a PDF file. But that's pretty much how you can get a PDF file from Camscanner and how to get it. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.